Okay, today we'll be replacing the tiller trigger right here. As you can see, I have it already uninstalled. Typically, when you break your trigger, you don't have it in there in the clamp anyways. We're going to take an Allen wrench and we're going to remove a pin. I already have it pre-removed, but you would usually take a hammer and just punch it through. Taking your replacement trigger, you're going to put the reverse cable inside, just enough to have it protruding out. And then you're going to take your spring and you're going to place it underneath the tip of the reverse cable, as so. If you look, doesn't really connect on anything, but just kind of place it in there, hook it under, and then pull up on your trigger so your spring and the reverse cable is not going anywhere. Place your trigger back into the clamp. Now, using the Allen wrench, just find and push through the holes, and almost done. So you could, at this stage, you could actually test it, see if it works. Working good. Now you want to put your pin back. Now on this pin, one side of the pin has a ridge. The other side is smooth. So what we're going to do is put it in from right to left. And you're just going to leave that Allen wrench in there and pound the pin in. You might need to, adjust your trigger to match the pin. See, just push that right out. And there you go, all set. Working good. You want to find that has a little tension when it's locked, but not too much, because you don't want it to break the pin again. Okay, and that's it.